What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zamir from Access to Tunes. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about this wonderful plugin from Air Music Tech, which was recently released, and it's actually kind of a bundle of plugins, but I'm gonna only show you one plugin today. So we're gonna just dive deep into this plugin. Not really deep, but I'm just gonna go touch on the presets, the edit window, and all the other awesome features of these plugin. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this Vintage Andromeda 64-bit. all right, so I'm gonna just play some notes right now, and this is going to be the first preset that you will hear when you load this plugin. That's awesome. It's already sounding so good, and it's, you know, radio ready. You know what I mean? You don't have to do a lot of things with this, and it's kind of hot as the volume is kind of hot as well. So make sure to adjust the volume right here, right? So before we test the other presets, I'm gonna just show you guys what's on the screen that you can see with Vintage Andromeda. So the first thing you will see here is the resonant knob, and then we have the cutoff, release, attack. And then you have the oscillator one, fine. I think this is the pitch knob, and then the balance. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll check it out shortly. And then we have the delay and reverb. Right. So there are a couple of oscillators here. So oscillator 1, oscillator 2, and sub, and also noise. So if you want the noise, just click on it, and it's going to enable the noise. It's kind of cool. So if you want sub as well, yeah, it's kind of cool. Okay, and then we move on to the distortion, mod 1, mod 2, delay, and reverb. So if you don't want to have any delay or reverb, you can just turn it off like so. And obviously there's a release here, so if I reduce the release, it's gonna cut quite faster, right? So that's that. So that's the main window of this plugin, which is the synth. So I'm gonna go to edit. So we have this a couple of features. Okay, this is kind of similar to all the other plugins that's released by Air Music Tech. For instance, if I just quickly add this Vintage Jupiter, you're gonna see the same kind of layout here. We have the synth, edit, effects, and arpeggio, which is the same as this one. We have synth, edit, effects, plus arpeggio. So basically it's the same thing. And we have all these parameters that we can play with when we are, you know, sound designing or want to change the sound the way we want. Okay, so we can do all of that right here. And then we go to effects and arpeggio. We have the effects includes distortion added to this preset. We have mod 1, mod 2. When I click on this, we have a couple of modulations effects here. So we have flutter, wow, and flutter, tremolo, and auto pan. All right, so we have the delay here. So let me just turn this on real quick. And then we have single, dual, cross. We have sync, and okay, so the delay, you can sync it with the tempo of the project. However, for the chorus or mod, we don't have that option, but that's fine. Auto clear, I don't know what that is. There's some kind of threshold, I guess. Is that like a auto ducking? Okay, I don't know what that is, but we can figure it out later, right? So we have a feedback setups. We have tape low. I think that's the preset for this feedback. You know, it's not really for the delay. Okay, let's go back to the rate here. So mod 1. Okay, this is how it sounds. So I'm gonna try the wow and flutter. Sounds like that. Sounds like terrible. Drift. Stereo. Okay, so we can adjust quite a lot of things in here. So we have distortion, amp heavy. We have a couple of options for the distortion alone. All right, so we have resampler as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the transformer maybe. Okay, I want to turn off this modulation. Don't like that. Don't like this as well. So now let's go and try the delay. The feedback is quite high, so got it. Single. kind of cool. And this tape mid high. Oh, sounds cool. And then we have this reverb. We have pre-delay for the reverb. We also have damp. And then we have the mode scoring stage. We have a bunch of other presets right here. And we can adjust the settings here for the mix. Alright, so we have for the EQ here, we have manual, we also have amp, bass. Okay, there's a couple of other presets for this particular effects. So we have this manual as well. When I click on it, it opens up the EQ curve. Now I have more option. It allows me to kind of affect it in a deeper way, which is fantastic because as a sound designer, I like to have such option. Oh, that's really cool, bro. That's really cool. Wow, the Q, I can adjust them. And then the high as well. Should I have a high cut? No. Or yeah, let's try some high cut. Hey, that sounds good. More like a Drake songs, you know. So if you want to produce Drake's song, you gotta have this plugin, man. So if I click on this again, it's going to return to the effects. Okay, that's kind of cool. So let's turn on the ARP. We have the rate. Okay, it's simple. So currently I was playing the up, so it's down, max note. Okay, so I can choose the amount of notes that I can have. So if I choose 3 because I was playing a triad. So if I choose a different number, 7 for instance. Okay, so it's kind of limited as well. Note order started as played. Cool, that's kind of cool. And up and then down. Cool. Let's adjust the octave here. Octave mode. What is this? Sorted. Okay, I really like this ratchet. That's kind of cool, but I don't know if I can, you know, modulate this with a parameters or something. That would be great if I have this option. What I like about this plugin is that it allows me to really do a lot of sound design within this plugin. You know, I don't have to necessarily add any other plugins to the insert for this plugin, right? So I don't have to go here and add some inserts here. No, nothing. I can do all of it within this plugin. So that saves a lot of CPU power. And also the other thing is, Amp Music Tech always makes plugin that's really easy on CPU. I mean, especially for Cubase users, you guys don't have to worry about it being crashed or anything like that. Okay, so that's that. So we have FX plus Arpeggio, Edit, and Synth window. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play with some of the presets that comes with this plugin. It's kind of cool. Fantastic. Let's try the next one, Pulse Runner. kind of like that. So let's play with the maybe the delay a little bit. It's already added. Time is 160 for triplet. Let's try maybe 16. It's cool. Let's have this pitch. Bass. Perk. Okay, I don't know what this features though. Let me see. But I know it's doing something. Nah, I don't know what that is. Yeah, but it's a cool sound. That's really cool. Damn, it's dirty, man. Sounds really good. So let's try the next one. Dream sequence. Let's try again. Cool. This is a great sound for a film composer. Okay, sound is crazy. I love them. Sound is crazy, guys. I can play with this all day. Perfect. My God. This is amazing, man. Sounds great. Sounds really good, guys. Fantastic. It's really good. So I've only touched the first preset, which is the Art Poly. I'm gonna be making a couple of parts for this plugin only, alright? If you are someone who does a lot of modern music production, this is one of the plugins that you should own, alright? I'll be making the part 2 of this, and I'll touch on the other presets as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody you know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.